Hello students, this video is in the continuation of the chapter articles. In the previous video, we studied that in English there are three articles, a, an and the. And these three articles are categorized into two groups, indefinite articles and definite articles. In the previous video, we studied about indefinite articles in detail. Indefinite articles are a and an, and these articles are used with general things or persons. A article is used with the nouns that starts with the consonant sound, and an article is used with the nouns that starts with vowel sound. Now here in this video we will study about definite articles in detail. Definite article is the, and it is used with specific or unique things or persons. Article the is called definite article because it points out a particular or specific person or thing. It means it shows that we are talking about a particular person or thing. The article is used with all kinds of nouns, whether they are singular or plural, countable or uncountable. When should we use article the? Here are some rules for it. Let's go through them. Number 1. When we talk about a particular person or thing, it means when we are talking about a particular person or thing, we use the article. Let's see the example for it. Number 1. Give me a book. A book means any book. But if I say, give me the book behind you, it means I am talking about a particular book. Let's see the another example. Open a box. A box means any box. But if I say, open the box behind you, it means I am pointing towards a particular box. Number 2. When we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we use a or an. But if we speak of it again in the following sentences, then we use the. Let's understand this point with the help of example. Number 1. I found a purse. The purse was lying under a table. Here you can see in the first sentence I used a purse, and in the next sentence I used the purse. Here a purse means I am talking about any purse. Now in this next sentence I am talking about the same purse that I have mentioned in the first sentence, so I use the before purse. Here the purse shows that it is used already in the first sentence. Next example is, my father gave me a book. The book was very interesting. A book means I am talking about any book. Now in the next sentence I am talking about the same book that is mentioned in the first sentence. So here it is any book, here it is particular book, means the book that is already mentioned in the first sentence. So when we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we use a and an. But if we speak of it again in the following sentences, we use the. Third point. When a singular noun is meant to represent a kind or a class, It means when a singular noun is not used as individual one, but it is used to show that it is talking about the whole class or whole kind. Let's see the example for it. The cow is a useful animal. Here you can see cow is a singular noun. But here this singular noun is representing the whole class. The cow is a useful animal. The Indian and the French teams are staying in this apartment. Here Indian and French are also representing the whole class. They are not used for an individual. So we use the Indian and the French. Fourth rule. The is used before certain proper nouns. What are these proper nouns? Number 1. The is used before the names of rivers, seas and oceans. Examples are the Ganga, the Pacific Ocean. The is used before the names of mountain ranges. Examples, the Himalayas, the Alps. Certain countries, each of which is the union of smaller units, we use the before the name of such countries. Example, the United States of America, the UAE. Here you can see United word shows that it is made up of smaller units. So the is used before USA and the is used before UAE. The is used before the names of famous buildings like the Gateway of India, the Victory Tower. The is used before the names of holy books and newspaper. Examples, the Gita, the Times of India. Things that are unique or only one of its kind, the is used before them, like the sun, the sky, the moon. So sky and sun, they are only one of its kind. So the is used before them. We use the before the superlative degree of adjectives. The best, the fastest, the tallest. Here best, fastest, the tallest. These are the superlative degrees of adjectives. We use the before the words like first, last, next, only. So we say like this, the first, the last, the only, the next. The is used also with the musical instruments. She plays the guitar really well. Guitar. Guitar is musical instrument. So the is used with it. Joy is playing the piano. Piano, musical instrument. So the is used with it. Certain adjectives, to give a plural meaning, we use the with them. Let's see the example. The rich. Here, rich is adjective word. And we use the before it to show that this adjective is used here to give a plural meaning like rich people. The poor means the poor people. We use the before the names of political parties. Examples are the BJP, the Congress. We do not use articles before the sports and academic subjects. Let's see the example. I like to play the football. It is wrong. The right one is I like to play football. The ball is wrong because we don't use article before sports name. My sister was always good at the math. Here, the math is academic subject, so we don't use articles before the academic subject. So the right one is my sister was always good at math. Now filling the blanks with a, an or the. First, I saw dash toy car in the room. Do you play with dash toy car? Here you can see toy car. A toy car T. T is consonant sound and it is singular in number. So a article is used before it. Do you play with the dash toy car? Here I am talking about this toy car that is already mentioned in the first sentence. So which article will be used here? The. Number 2. Do you think there is life on any planet in dash universe? Here, universe is one of its kind. So the right article will be the. Number 3. Hema's bicycle was dirty. She took dash bucket of water. A bucket of water from dash bathroom to clean dash bicycle. From bathroom. Bathroom, it means we are talking about some particular part of the house. So it is, there is not 20-30 bathrooms in the house. So we will use the article before the bathroom. To clean dash bicycle. Here bicycle is already mentioned in the first sentence. So we will use here the article. In this video we learned that indefinite articles are a and an. A and an means one. And these are used for general things and person. Means for any thing or person. They are used with singular countable nouns. Definite article the is used for specific things or person and they points out towards a particular person or thing. They are used with all kinds of nouns. In this video, we studied about the definite articles and its use in detail. Thank you.